going on, guys? Morlo here, back with another vlog. I'm in Ocean City, Maryland with the wife. Just watched the sunrise. It's pretty dope. I got in the mail the other day from Suma Performance. It's a nice LED side marker, so we're gonna go ahead and install that today and just enjoy our little weekend getaway. So let's get right into the video. Let's go to Dykeman. See, I have these side markers. These side markers are from Civic. They actually lasted a pretty good time. This is my second set. The first set actually I bought off eBay. The issue I was having was this will fill up with water, condensation, then it'll destroy the bulb, and you know, it's a mess. So what I did with the Civic ones is underneath it I took a drill with a bit and I drilled a small hole in the bottom of here, and that basically helped, you know, like for air, and so it won't condensate, and still lasts to this day. But I definitely wanted to upgrade to the Suma Performance one, and it'll look a lot better. It has this whole strip is built with LEDs. It's pretty cool. I'll show you guys that. So here's the Suma Performance LED kit. Comes with a sticker and stuff. And here it is. This is what I was saying before with like it's built with LEDs all around inside of it, which is pretty good quality. It's just basically plug and play and pop it right in. This definitely looks like it's gonna be really good. I can't wait to see how it looks installed. So let me show you guys how to take the old ones out and put the newer ones in. Alright guys, so these are pretty easy to install, and as you can see I'm getting water inside of mine, so I'm going to change them. You got two screwdriver like bolts right here. You're going to pop this little plastic that's right behind it out. Get to the side marker. There's going to be a tab right in here that's pointing that way. What you want to do is push the tab towards the front of the car and then outwards to you. That's all. It probably takes maybe 2 minutes to do. So once you push this tab inwards and then outwards to you, that's pretty much it. Just want to take it out the socket. Then take your new one. Take the old bulb out. And just plug in the new little LED chip inside. Pop it right back in. That's it. Thank you for watching this video, man. I'll be back soon with new content. See you guys, man.